Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file KRA taxes. First, ensure you have your KRA PIN and iTax login details ready. We will then walk through the process of selecting the correct tax return type based on your income sources. Understanding the various categories is crucial for accurate submission. This guide will simplify the steps, helping you navigate the system with confidence and meet your obligations efficiently. Before you begin filing, it's essential to gather all your financial documents. This includes your P-9 form from your employer, which details your employment income and pay deductions. Also, compile records for any other income, such as rental income or business profits. Don't forget to collect receipts or statements for any expenses you plan to claim as deductions. Having everything organized will make the filing process much smoother. Once your documents are ready, log into the KRA iTax portal using your PIN and password. Navigate to the e-returns section and select File Return. Choose the correct income tax return type, for example, Individual Income Tax Resident. Carefully fill in all the required fields, ensuring that the figures from your P-9 form and other income sources are entered precisely. Double-check for any errors before proceeding. After entering all your information, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire tax return. Check for any discrepancies or missing details that could lead to issues. Once you are confident everything is correct, click Submit. Remember to download and save your acknowledgement receipt as proof of filing. For more helpful tips and great deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.